Hi guys, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how layouts are being done with CSS, how you can pick your items and arrange them on your site, like side by side, or you could make it appear horizontally from vertically. Basically how you can push content around. This is what I already did. So I'm just going to close this file entirely and then open a new one. So I'm going to close this as well, and then I'll create a new file here. I'm going to call this project. I'm going to call this pro.html. Pro, how about I say ouch, pro.html, just like that. Let's see. Yeah, so I have this. So I'm going to pick this snippet and get to create a div here. So I'm just going to have a div tag, and then I'll put div inside of it as well. So I'm going to duplicate this and have 4 div. So I'm going to enter this and have another div, enter, have another div, enter, have another div, just like that. So I'm just going to put here 1, and then here I would say 2, and here I would say 3, and then I think here I'll just say 4, and then let's preview this and see how it is. Okay, this is how they are. So I'll come back here and then create a new CSS file so I can link that. So I'll call here pro.css, just like that. So I'll click here and I'll come here and link it. So remember what I told you, you use the link tag to link your CSS. So let me swipe over here to find the link tag. So I'll just pick this, and in here I'll type the name of the CSS file, which is pro.css, and then let me try something. Let me style this. Let me give this a class name. Remember, you can style your HTML using the element, just calling the element name, or the what is it called, or through class name. So I'm just going to do this and then call this okay, no, not that, made a mistake there. So this is going to be equals to, so I'll just say pro here. This is the class name. So in my CSS I want to style this class name. So I'm going to come here now. To access a class name, you do / that class name that you just define in your HTML. So I'm going to say what should I do? So I'm going to display all of them flex, so they appear horizontally. Currently they are displayed vertically, just like this. So I want them to appear horizontally. So I'm just going to do display, then I'll pick this, and then I'll do flex, just like that, right? So let me look at this and then see how it is. Oh, it's not applicable yet. So let me see, where did I make a mistake? Okay, I have that. So where is my CSS? Let me see. Yeah, pro.css. Let me come back here. Is there any mistake? Is there anywhere I made a mistake? Pro.css. No. Let me check this again. Okay, display flex. Okay, so let's see. Let me even check if a color is gonna work. So let me do something like border color, border. I think I'll just border equals to 1 pixel solid red. So let me see if this will work. I'll come here, preview. Oh, that one is working. So why is my display flex not working? So display, let me go back again, and then over here I'm going to say display. Oh, I didn't add s, my god. You can see the common thing that would make your code not to work. So look at that, it's now appearing normal rather, sorry. So we have 1 2 3 4, but there is no space between them. So I'm just going to come back here and do something like this. So I'm going to tell it to justify content. Just going to say space between, just like that. All right, so let me go back and check. HTML, okay, you can see they are spread out, so I want to make it look more good. So I'm just going to come here and say I want to access each of the div, you know, they are child to the pro div. So I want to access each of them. So to access each of them, I will call the class name, which is pro, and then div. And now this div is going to touch the entire 4 stuff. So I'm just going to give this border of 1. I can say 2 pixel solid green. All right, so just like that. So let me preview this again and see how it is. So you can see how it is. So I want to remove this red, which I was using to test to debug my code. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Instead, I will now make each of the div to be a bit bigger by giving it a padding of remember the padding is going to shift the content, is going to shrink the content inside the div. Right, so I'm just going to say 20 pixel, just like that, and then we close it, we preview again, and then see. You can see how they appear. So this is just what I wanted to show you guys, how to just create a basic layout on your code. Alright, that's it. Bye everyone.